If you make $100,000 a year in 2026, are you really rich? Most people would immediately say yes. Six figures still feels like a big achievement. It sounds secure. It sounds like success. It sounds like you've finally made it. But here's a harsh reality check. You can earn $100,000 a year, drive a nice car, live in a good apartment, enjoy vacations, and still be financially fragile. One job loss, one medical emergency, or one market downturn could create serious stress. You could still be far away from real wealth and real freedom. In 2026, the definition of rich is broken. Social media constantly shows us luxury, big mansions, private jets, and supercars, but that's not wealth. That's just expensive spending. Real wealth is not about what you show, it's about what you own, what you control, and how long you can survive without depending on a paycheck. In this video, I'm going to give you the clear truth. The real difference between income and net worth, the latest 2026 net worth benchmarks with practical examples, the actual behavioral secrets of the top 10%, top 5%, and top 1%, and a simple, actionable roadmap you can start following today. By the end, you'll know exactly where you stand and what you need to change to move forward. Welcome to Soul Invest. Here we don't do hype. We explain how money really works, how wealthy people actually think, and how you can build real, lasting wealth step by step with discipline. If you're serious about improving your financial future, hit like and let's dive in. The biggest mistake most people make is confusing income with wealth. Income is visible, you see it every month, you can compare it, and you can display it through your lifestyle. But real wealth is mostly invisible. It's what you keep and what you own. Let me show you with two realistic examples. Alex looks rich, but he's struggling. He's 36 years old, earning $100,000 a year. He drives a new luxury car with an $850 monthly EMI. He pays $2,900 in rent for a premium apartment. He eats out frequently, shops often, and takes 2 expensive vacations every year while carrying credit card debt. After 8 to 10 years, his net worth is only around $90,000 to $160,000. He's in the top 25% by income, but his net worth sits near or even below the national median. He looks successful, but owns very little. Now compare that to Jordan, who looks average but is quietly building real wealth. Same age, 36, same $100,000 income, but he drives a reliable 5 to 7-year-old car fully paid off. He lives in a modest apartment, paying around $1,700 to $1,900 per month. He cooks most of his meals, keeps his lifestyle simple, and consistently invests 18 to 22% of his income into index funds and retirement accounts. After 8 to 10 years, his net worth reaches $480,000 to $680,000 or more. Jordan has moved into the top 20 to 25% by actual wealth. Same income, same age, completely different outcomes. This proves a powerful truth. Being rich is about high income and a flashy lifestyle. But being wealthy is about strong net worth, asset ownership, and freedom. The two biggest killers along the way are lifestyle inflation and the comparison trap. You get a raise and instantly upgrade your life. Expenses rise with income, and your net worth barely moves. At the same time, social media makes you compare constantly, making you feel rich, even when the numbers tell a different story. So here's the ultimate test. If you stopped working today, how long could you survive without a paycheck? That answer reveals your true financial position better than any salary ever will. True wealth is about time freedom, not depending on the next paycheck. Let's talk about the secrets of the top 10%, 5%, and 1%. These are not flashy hacks or overnight tricks. These are proven, repeatable behaviors and mindset shifts backed by Federal Reserve data. Top 10% secret, aggressive consistency and foundation first. They treat wealth building like a non-negotiable habit. They consistently save and invest 15 to 25% or more of their income every single month, even when their salary increases. They deliberately delay major lifestyle upgrades. This consistency before luxury approach allows many to cross the $1.6 to $2 million net worth mark within 10 to 15 years. They automate their investments, so the money goes straight into low-cost index funds or retirement accounts before they even see it. This removes emotion and builds massive compound growth over time. At this level, the main limitation is that most people are still trading significant time for money through their primary job. Top 5% secret: multiple income streams and strategic scaling. This is where the shift from linear to accelerated growth happens. They don't rely on one salary. Instead, they build diversified income sources including their main job, investment returns, side business or consulting, and real estate cash flow. They shift their thinking from simply earning more to making what they already have worked harder. Top 1% secret: true ownership and exponential leverage. The biggest difference appears here. The top 1% obsess over ownership of scalable assets rather than just high income. They own significant business equity, large diversified stock portfolios, and income-producing real estate that generate wealth even while they sleep. Federal Reserve data shows the top 1% now controls a record 31.7% of all U.S. household wealth, largely driven by appreciation in equities and business assets. They use smart debt for investments rather than consumption, build strong professional networks, and maintain a true long-term ownership mindset. Many are entrepreneurs or hold meaningful equity stakes that continue paying dividends for generations. The one hidden secret shared by all levels is this: they have mastered delaying gratification at an elite level. They willingly say no to short-term status symbols and lifestyle creep so they can enjoy real freedom later. This single discipline is the common thread among almost all millionaires. Biggest wealth killers that hold people back include high-interest consumer debt, emotional spending, short-term thinking, and staying too comfortable for too long. Here's a practical 4-step roadmap you can start today. Step 1. Increase your income. Develop high-value skills, negotiate raises, switch jobs strategically, or build a profitable side business. Stronger income gives you more fuel. Step 2. Control your lifestyle. Keep expenses stable as your income grows. The gap between what you earn and what you spend becomes your biggest wealth accelerator. Step 3. Invest consistently. Automate investments every month into diversified assets like index funds and stocks. Stay consistent through market ups and downs. Let compounding do the heavy work. Step 4. Build assets and ownership. Move from being a consumer to an owner. Acquire stocks, rental properties, or business equity that generate passive income. The modern wealth rule in 2026. If most of your money still depends on trading your time, you are not financially free yet. You don't need luck or perfect timing. You need discipline, consistency, and patience. Small, smart actions repeated over years create massive results. Being rich in 2026 is not about how much you earn. It's about what you keep, what you own, and the freedom it brings. Now you know the latest numbers, real examples, and the secrets of the top percentages. Ask yourself honestly, where do I stand today? And where do I want to be in 5, 10, and 15 years? If you're serious about building real wealth, subscribe to Soul Invest right now and hit the bell icon. Here we don't just talk about money, we help you build it step by step. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments and tell me, which wealth level are you working to reach? Thank you for watching.